Wishbone's on the move for the 10th race. It's a grade C, run on the 5/16th, right here at Victoryland. And now, here's Wishbone. They're off at the break. It's a 6 and 4, 6-4-1. And now into the first turn, it's 6-1-8, 6-1-8. That's 6-1-8. And the Greyhound's headed for the backstretch. That's 6-1-8-2. That's 6-1-8-2. That's 6-1-8-2. 7 and 4, 5 and 3. Here they come into the final turn. Still a 6 and 1. Now here comes 8 on the outside, challenging the 1. It's 6-8-1. 6-8-1 under the wire. Please hold all tickets. And the exacta 6-8 pays $424.40. That's a good one.